Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you how to create these data telemetry sounds all from scratch inside of Vital. So if you're looking to create these sounds for some computers, robots, scanners, or some sort of futuristic technology, you'll be able to follow along, create your own, and then use it in your design. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to load a new instance of Vital. I like to turn on my 3D map. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to choose in my factory here. Actually, let's go to DDA Core Pack. This is a free pack if you want to check it out. I'll have a link in the description. But basically, you don't even need to go in here because all I'm going to do is load a basic sine wave. I'm going to do the same thing here on this second oscillator here. All right, once we have these set up, I'm going to go onto my first oscillator here and I'm going to choose RM to oscillator 2, this ring modulation to oscillator 2. I'm going to turn this all the way up. Next, I'm going to go down here to my randomizer LFO. So my random LFO here, I'm going to go in here and choose a sample and hold. And I like to turn mine to seconds. All right, so I like to turn mine to around 0.04 or to 0.05 seconds. And I'm going to assign this to our pitch of the second oscillator here. So now if we play it, we already have some pretty good sounds here. You could just go like that, use that, and export some sounds and go crazy with that. But let's try to make our sound a little bit more interesting here. So one of the things you can do is turn on the stereo here on our random LFO. Right? This is going to generate two different random LFOs, one for the left channel and one for the right. Right? So it just creates this a lot more complex sound. Next thing you could do if you want, here is for the oscillator 1, I'm going to turn the pitch all the way down. Right, and it completely changes the sound. So before we had this. Right, so you can play around with that. Next thing here that we can play around here with is the speed of the sample and hold. So like I said, I like mine between 0.04 or 0.05 seconds, but play around with it. Right, and just with that, you can come up with a lot of cool data telemetry sounds. All right, thanks so much for watching. If you have any comments, questions, leave it down below. And if you are interested to see another video that I made about Vital, I'll have it on the screen above. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.